Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're mastering how to use Todoist to manage team projects, making your work life more organized and stress-free. Let's dive in. First up, you'll need to create a new project. Just click the plus icon next to Projects on the left-hand sidebar. Name your project and choose a color. This will make it easily recognizable for you and your team. The reason we do this is to create a centralized space where all related tasks can be stored and accessed by everyone involved. Next up, invite your team members. Click the three dots next to your project name, select Invite People, then enter their email addresses. This helps us because it brings everyone onto the same platform, promoting seamless collaboration. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Click on the plus Add Task button within your project and start typing. You can also assign tasks to specific team members by typing plus followed by their name. This matters because assigning tasks ensures accountability for each team member and helps track progress more effectively. Let me explain why adding due dates and priorities is crucial. In Todoist, when you add a task, you can also set a due date and priority level by clicking on the schedule and priority icons respectively. This helps us because it allows you to manage your team's workload and prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Lastly, use the comments feature to communicate with your team. Click on a task and then on the speech bubble icon to leave comments, attach files, or even record a voice note. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By communicating directly within tasks, you're keeping all related discussions in one place, reducing the chances of miscommunication. And there you have it. You've now got a handle on how to use Todoist to manage your team projects effectively. Remember, good project management is about clear communication and organized tasks. Todoist makes both of these a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay organized.